In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix printer icon is missing in printer and scanner settings in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, we need to proceed at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for services .msc. Again, type for services.msc. Once you are done typing, hit the OK button, and in that way you would be able to navigate to the services. Once you are here at the services, in order to locate for print spooler easily, just select any of the services here running and type P in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to be navigated to the services starting with letter P. So from here, please proceed with print spooler next to power in my case, and by that make a right click and go with properties. So one of the factor why you face an error is that you have set the print spooler into disabled. So it is very important, okay? So it is very important to set the startup type into automatic. Okay? So set it into automatic and make sure that the service status is running. So if you in your case, I'm sure that you have stopped it. So it is very important to click on start and to make sure that the service status is running here in Brain Spooler. Once you have ensured that you have set the startup type into automatic and make sure that the service status has been running, click on apply and then OK and navigate here at this left side. You can see there's stop the service and restart the service. So please click on restart the service and wait until it would be successfully restarted here. Once done, close the window, navigate here at the start, and then click on it and proceed to the power menu options. Okay, click on this one and restart your computer. You may wonder why we need to restart. We need to restart in order to make any changes. And in order for our actions to take an effect, restart your PC. Once you have restarted it, you would be able to fix the problem. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.